Hydrogen peroxide is a common first aid staple, but its role in oral care is more complex than it seems. While it promises teeth whitening and germ-killing power, overuse can disrupt the delicate balance of your mouth. Let's uncover the real story behind hydrogen peroxide in oral care, so you can make smart, safe choices. Hydrogen peroxide, or H2O2, is just water with an extra oxygen atom, giving it strong oxidizing power. When it fizzes in your mouth, it breaks down into water and oxygen, lifting stains and killing germs. But this same action can irritate sensitive tissues and upset your mouth's natural bacteria. The chemistry is simple, but the effects can be significant. That's why understanding how it works is key to using it wisely. Hydrogen peroxide is popular for its whitening and antibacterial effects. It can lift stains and reduce bacteria, making it a go-to for at-home whitening and freshening breath. Some even claim it helps gum health by removing debris, but these benefits are often exaggerated and depend on how you use it. Concentration, frequency, and your own sensitivity all matter. The safety of hydrogen peroxide in oral care depends on how much and how often you use it. High concentrations or frequent use can irritate gums and damage your mouth's protective layers. Think of it like using a strong cleaner on delicate fabric. Too much can do more harm than good. Occasional, diluted use may help, but overdoing it risks upsetting your mouth's natural balance. Moderation and caution are essential. The risks of hydrogen peroxide come from overuse or improper application. It can irritate sensitive tissues, cause inflammation, and even delay healing. Overuse also disrupts the oral microbiome, killing good bacteria along with the bad. This imbalance can let harmful bacteria thrive, leading to more oral health problems. Using it too often can do more harm than good. Traditional oral care aims to kill all bacteria, but new research values a balanced microbiome. Imagine your mouth as a garden. Wiping out all bacteria is like killing every insect, even the helpful ones. Supporting your body's natural defenses is better than using harsh chemicals. The goal is to help good bacteria thrive, keeping harmful ones in check. This shift encourages a gentler, more balanced approach to oral care. Holistic dentistry sees oral health as part of your overall well-being. It favors preventive care and gentle treatments, often questioning the need for harsh chemicals like hydrogen peroxide. Natural alternatives, like saltwater rinses or herbal blends, can be effective without disrupting your mouth's balance. This perspective invites us to use gentler options that work with, not against, our bodies. Hydrogen peroxide can be useful, but it's not a cure-all. Reserve it for occasional specific uses like minor mouth sores or temporary whitening, and always follow professional advice. Good oral hygiene habits are the real foundation for a healthy mouth. If you use hydrogen peroxide, always dilute it. Mix equal parts 3% peroxide and water. Swish gently for no more than 30 seconds, spit it out and rinse with water. Never swallow it or use it on open wounds. Limit use to a few times a week and stop if you feel any irritation. When in doubt, consult your dentist. The best oral care is about listening to your body and practicing mindful habits. Embrace gentle routines, regular brushing, flossing, and professional cleanings. Explore natural alternatives to support your mouth's balance. With conscious choices, you can keep your smile healthy for years to come.